Hey there, are you a secondary school student preparing for an examination, or are you just looking to improve your knowledge in a particular subject? Well, look no further, because with Eduland Africa, an online educational platform designed for students just like you, your success is just a click away. We offer a variety of core subjects like maths, chemistry, biology, physics, economics, English, and much more. Our platform adequately prepares you for examinations like WAEC, NECO, GCE, JAMB, and even IELTS. To get started, visit www.edulandafrica.com. Register, select the subject of your choice, make payments, and start learning. What's more, you can start your classes at your convenience. Pause, rewind, rewatch until you understand. There are also lesson notes you can download, quizzes to test your understanding, and past questions with answers. And if at the end of the day you still have questions, you can always reach our teachers and get answers within 24 hours. So what are you waiting for? Visit www.edulandafrica now and get started.